Hello everybody! There are basically only two techniques to this quilling design. So you can do this. One of them is to make a teardrop shape. And I start off by rolling up a strip of paper to make a loose coil. I'm using a straight pin here, but you can use a slotted tool or a quilling needle or whatever. Okay, now just let it loosen up. And then you glue down the end. And then these are big enough. I'm going to pull the center to one side while I pinch the other side. And that's the teardrop shape. I'm going to outline the teardrop in black, starting at the pointy end, and then wrap around twice. I didn't think once was enough to show up properly, so I did it twice. I didn't want to do 3 times. Would not be a magic number here because I think it would take up too much room. So I've made a bunch of these in various sizes, and I'm going to start gluing at the center of the H. I really want things to fit properly there and be symmetrical. How do you like my super sophisticated gluing setup? I like the idea of reuse and recycle, so I took the top of a container of strawberries and cut it off, and actually I've got 2 of them, and I washed them between projects and it works. So gluing down the right side of the H, deliberately leaving space in the outside corners. And you might say, hey, those look like different shades of orange, and you would be totally right. I'm going dark at the top to light at the bottom. And there is no room for this last piece. There, just shove it in. Okay. Testing things out to see if I can mirror the other side, or if I scrap the whole idea and start over. That test looks decent. The pieces fit, but I haven't outlined anything, and that takes up room. So really hoping that doesn't come back to bite me. Ah, first piece. So far so good. Oh yeah, things are definitely getting tight. That last piece. Oh, did you see the outline bulge? Oh, but hey, it matches perfectly with the bulge on the other side. Awesome. Alright, second skill of the day. Making a tight coil with no hole. I've glued 2 strips together, tiny strips, and 1 drop of water is enough to wet this strip. And the water helps the strip just to soften up and really able to smush together so that there's no hole. So there I'm just using a pin to get the curl started. Oh, that looks so good. I don't know, there must have been something wrong with it to start over, but anyway. Ah, yes! Success. Gluing it down. And then I always roll it up again because it comes unraveled just a bit every time I glue it. There we go. 1 billion dots coming up. But notice how they're not all the same. I think that's important for the butterfly look. Flourish time! I wanted to show how you can use different things to curl the paper, even the end of a paintbrush. I thought about doing a flourish that looks like an antenna. But yeah, probably would have ended up looking corny. But doesn't that look amazing? And only 2 techniques. Thanks for watching.